Choosing the right drone detection system is crucial for protecting your airspace and ensuring safety. With more drones in the sky than ever, it's important to ask the right questions before making a decision. Start by checking if the system receives FAA-mandated Remote ID broadcasts, which help identify most drones and their operators. Next, consider what types of drones the system can detect, since new regulations are changing the market. Ask if the system interferes with drones. Most organizations should focus on detection and tracking, not mitigation, due to legal and safety risks. Look for custom alert features to focus on sensitive areas. See if you can monitor multiple locations from one interface. Don't forget to factor in total ownership costs and training requirements. By asking these questions, you'll find a solution that fits your needs and keeps your site secure.